Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to enable battery percentage in iPhone. Follow these easy steps to easily enable battery percentage. Go to your iPhone settings app and scroll down until you see battery. Then tap on battery, and at the top of battery settings page here you will find this battery percentage. So all you have to do is just enable this option, and now on the battery percentage will be visible in your iPhone. And note one thing, that this battery percentage option is not available for older version of iPhones. So if you're using iPhone 5, 6, 7, 8, then this battery percentage option is not available in your iPhone. In that case, you won't be able to enable and view battery percentage. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.